In this video, I am going to show you how we can hide data using Whitespace Steganography. So steganography means that you want to hide some data in a file. Like in a text file, you can hide some image, or or you can hide your password within a text file. So to hide data using Whitespace Steganography, we will use one tool known as Snow. So you can obtain it from here. You can search from Snow Steganography tool download. And here is one website, darkside.com.au. Go to this website. So this is the program, snow.32.zip. So you need to download this and extract this file uh, like this. So this is a DOS file and this is a help file of Snow tool, where it has shown you how you can use this tool to hide the messages. So these are the switches we are going to use. We will compress the data, and then we will use the message string -m, and we will assign it a password. Only the other party or other person will be able to decrypt this if he or she has this Snow tool and the password. Otherwise, the user cannot even guess what is hidden inside the file. So let's begin the actual practical. So first of all, I will create a Notepad file. So we will write here, this is a test document for Whitespace Stego. So you need to save this file in the Snow.dos directory itself and give it a name. I will give it name read.txt. So now this document is saved in my this directory. I need to open the CMD now and make sure to run as administrator. So navigate to this folder, CD user, and my account name is test. Here is the text folder. You need to type here S and W DOS 32 dir, and now we will use this snow.exe. And first of all, we will compress this, and then my message goes in the quotation marks. Here is my password for login into my bank account. And then we will use password that will be assigned to this file. And I use a password known as test. And then we will have to specify the original file we have created, read.txt, and you have to give the name of the file you need to create, secret.txt. So this message says the file is compressed by 33.81% and message exceeded available space and extra 11 lines were added. So now delete this file which we have made earlier. and open this file. So by opening this secret file, nobody knows that it has a password which we have assigned, which I have written as a text. So if you control select all, you see some white spaces but not the actual text. So to decrypt it, just use this command snow.exe -c, type your password, that is test, and type the file name. So this is the password. This is the line which I have entered, and this is the actual text we have concealed. Here is my password for logging into my bank account. So in this way, you can use the Snow tool for Whitespace Steganography. Thanks for watching.